So grow, harvest. So grow, harvest.
Oh, hi friends. Happy New Year. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Cam. And if you're new here, welcome. This is Star Plant Patio Garden. So, you want to start a garden, but you're on a budget. That's what I'm on. I'm on a budget this year. I went over a lot last year buying things that I probably didn't even need to buy. So, we're going to make seed starting soil with what I have. So, I have some Perlite. And I'm going to insert a picture here. Just let you see how soft it is. Perlite. Also, have this potting soil. The Sunshine Black Bear potting soil. It has biochar in it. And I'm going to insert a picture here. Just let you see how soft it is. And guys, I brought this from Shein. I hope you can see it. It is Coco Peat. You get 4 blocks. And I'm gonna insert a picture of this. How soft this is. The Perlite, I just took a video of it. But this here, I'll show you how soft it is. Now you just can't plant things in the soil, the potting soil, or the seeds. You just can't plant the seeds in the potting soil. It's too much for that. So you have to amend it to make it work. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I decided to add this in this video. It's just a breakdown of the price, where I brought these items from, the unit and volume. For the Coco Peat, it breaks down the grams when the bricks are hard or dry bricks, and then when you hydrate them, liters, gallons, and quarts. So here I'll list each item if you would use percentage, and also I broke it down in cups. That's easier for me. I always try to get the cup size. So we are back. I'm gonna put my gloves on. I hope y'all can see me. Might not to say you see my face, but I'm gonna try to mix this up. I got my my bucket. This is the Coco Peat, if you can see it. This is the soil. And this is the Perlite. And we're going to go ahead and get our measurements going. I'll probably speed this part up so it will be. And this is my bag with my cups in it. Measuring cups. So we got the 1 cup. And we're going to go ahead and put, I believe, hold on, I gotta go get my measurements. So this is what it looked like when you put it all together. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But this is what it looks like. I did 3 1/2 cups of the Black Bear. 3 1/2 cups, and see the cups are in there. I did of the Coco Peat, and it says 3/4 cups of the Perlite, and I broke that down in tablespoons. And put that all together. It says 8 cups for the seed starting mix. I have 9-ounce plastic cups. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that video. I'll probably have it linked in the bio. I'm sorry, my description. I soldered holes in the cups for drainage. I'm using Dollar Tree. Again, on a budget, Dollar Tree 9-ounce plastic cups for my seed starting. And this is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. And I'm about to go get my watering can and wet it up a little bit. You don't want it to be soggy. You just want it to hold, you know, like a mold. It's say like a sponge. So, hey guys. So, as you can see, again, that's the mixture. I got my watering can, and I'm gonna try to set this up again to videotape me, you know, watering it or wetting it, and then I'm gonna get a pan of it, of me squeezing it, to let you know how it should look when you mix everything together. You don't want it to be soggy, like I said before. You just want it to have a hole to it, like a mold of like a spongy type. So you see, you guys, I wet it, and it has a sponge-like shape to it. It's not soggy. It's ready, so I can start my seeds in it and pack my cups. If I have to make some more, I'll make some more. That's how it's supposed to look. I'm getting excited to start my garden this year for 2026. Hey guys, I am inside now, trying to get warm. It is cold outside. I just wanted to say thank you so much. You have made it to the end of the video. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment. Would you or have you started your garden, and have you made your own soil this year, or are you going to make your own soil this year? Thank you so much again. God bless you. Come on, let's sow, grow, and harvest together. Love ya.